Hi guys, welcome to another Wednesday workout. I am a little bit tired, I am a little bit sick. I'm in the Netherlands, as you can see. I'm not in sunny Spain, but I'm in my back garden in my house in Holland. I've been here for a week. I'm flying back to Spain tonight. I was here for the CrossFit Lowlands Throwdown that was this weekend, which is a sanctioned CrossFit event, and I helped out as a volunteer. I lost my voice a little bit, so I won't be talking too much, but of course we are gonna do a nice workout. The workout I thought of today is a little bit of a test, because it is also a nice workout, but it also is a very good way of testing your fitness. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of burpees lately. I do burpees every Sunday, and I do the amount of burpees that I have YouTube subscribers at that moment. I have 130 right now, so last Monday, I didn't do them on Sunday because I was at the event, but last Monday I did 130. I didn't actually film it, but I did do them. I will try and film the next one again. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of burpees, and today you're gonna do burpees too. The workout is death by burpees, which means you're gonna do burpees every minute, but you're gonna increase the amount of burpees in the minute. So it's an EMOM. If you use the app that I'll post again down below in the description, you can set the timer on EMOM. Just put it on 20 or 30 minutes or something. It doesn't really matter as long as it doesn't run out before you're done. But basically, once the first minute starts, you do 2 burpees. Then the rest of the minute, you rest. Then when the second minute starts, you do 4 burpees. The remaining time you rest. The next minute you do 6 burpees, and you keep adding 2 burpees every minute until you are not able to complete the amount of burpees within the minute, and that's when you're done. I'm actually eager to see how I am doing today, because I'm not feeling too fit, so I wouldn't be surprised if I wouldn't beat my last time. But at the same time, I have been doing a lot of burpees recently, so you know, maybe that helps me a little bit. The last time I did this workout was in November 2018, and I was able to get into the round of 16 burpees, finished that one, and then I got 14 burpees in the round of 18, and that's when the time was up and I couldn't do it anymore. I have been doing this workout at least once a year ever since I started CrossFit. I was always able to increase my reps, which I think is a good indication that throughout the years I have increased my fitness. And I was not always doing a lot of fitness in that time, but I've always been consistent in going to the gym on a regular basis. And even though maybe it feels like you're not giving it your all the time, because of going regularly, that already makes so much difference, and you're already increasing your fitness just by doing a regular thing. So if this is your thing, doing this weekly workout on Wednesday, please stick to it. You might not feel that it gives results right away, but if you look at it in the long run, you will see that you are improving. So please do this workout today. Don't forget to log your result. Especially for this one, I would really recommend to write down your results, because it will be fun to do it in 6 months or so, or maybe even a year, and to see if you can increase your reps that you get to. So let's go for it. As a warm-up, I would recommend to get your heart rate up a little bit. So you could either go for a little run, like a 400-meter run, and then maybe do a couple of burpees, a couple of air squats, maybe some push-ups. And it's just to get your heart rate up a little bit. It's okay if you start sweating a little bit, start breathing hard. Just take a little bit of rest afterwards, so you feel ready before you start doing the actual workouts. But it will actually help you to get your heart rate up, because that shock for your body will be during the warming up, and then you'll feel better doing the actual workout. So I'm now gonna get my heart rate up a little bit by doing some squats and push-ups. I'm gonna do 3 rounds of 10 squats, 5 push-ups. So, that was super short, but I am a little bit out of breath, and that's exactly what I wanted. So now we're gonna go into the movement of the burpee. The movement begins standing straight up, then you go towards the floor, and your hips and your chest touch the ground. From there, you jump back up, open up the hips, and clap above the head. You can also step backwards, hips, chest touch the ground, step back up, jump and clap. So to go through the workout once again, I'm gonna start the clock. In the first minute, we're gonna do 2 burpees. Then the rest of the time, we just chill, relax, wait for the second minute to start. Then we're gonna do 4 burpees. Again, time left, we just chill, relax. Next minute we do 6 and so on. A tip is to not try and do your burpees as quickly as possible so you get more rest. The trick is actually to do the burpees at such a slow pace that your heart rate is not going up yet, until it really has to when you start getting to the bigger amount of reps. So yeah, are you ready? I am. Let's go.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You're the honest I'll ever be. I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before.
Spicy really fast. Don't worry.
Mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. Self-restraint. I think we're done, then you had more pain. I calm down and watch it grind. And the it is together.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for yeah. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for yeah. Baby, I'm not running around. 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 Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold yeah. Everything
I completed a round of 16 and then I did 15 in a round of 18. That's a 1 rep improvement from last time, which I'll take. It gets so hard in the end so quick. So as you can tell, you are allowed to be completely out of breath and exhausted after this. If you still have something in the tank, you didn't push hard enough. This is supposed to really push yourself, both physically and mentally, especially at the end, where you think, oh, if I do one more, I make this minute, so then I have to keep going. It's sometimes hard to do that last rep because you know otherwise you'll be done. That's something I struggle with anyway. I have to really battle my own mind to stop from being lazy. It's actually go that extra mile. And for me, like I said, it helps to have the results from last time because I had 16 plus 14 last time, so now it really gave me the drive to go past those 14. And probably if I hadn't known that score, I probably got the same score because the pace I was going at, I would get to 14, but because I was determined to get a little bit better, I sped it up a little bit at the end. So you'll see that if your mind wants it, your body will listen and can do it too. So just believe you can do it. Always go for that 1 extra rep. I know it can be hard, but push yourself. And especially, you know, if you get a benchmark today and it's not that great, that's fine. You have a benchmark now, and then next time you make sure to beat it. So yeah, have some fun with it as well. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It would really help me out. Please share with your friends if you think this might benefit them. And if you did like this video, please hit that like button. And I'll see you next week. Ciao. There was actually a big thunderstorm last night with a lot of rain. So the floor here is really wet, especially down there. I actually also broke my tripod. I'm getting a new one today, but yeah, I have to see how I put my camera down. Problems, but we'll solve them.